Hello, I am Dr. Kisan Bidkar, working as a head and associate professor in Civil Engineering Department of Sandeep Institute of Engineering and Management, Nasik. The department is established in 2010 with 120 intake capacity. Our department has well-equipped labs with calibrated instruments. The training placement department of civil engineering provides the placement to the students in India as well as in abroad. Also, department provides the guidance to the students for their higher studies in India as well as abroad. So, department has departmental library for the students' study purpose also. The globally recognized softwares which is based on the software training programs are organized by the department through MOU with CAD Center. Looking into the importance of new renewable sources of energy, department initiated the renewable sources energy, the excellence center in the department by funding industry agency. Department also provides the internship programs due to pandemic condition as an online internship programs to the students through MOU with Know-how School and Pro Training. The students have the chapters which are associated with industry and which are very vibrant, and they are doing their co-curricular and extracurricular activities for the students' skill development. Students also give back to the society, which is initiated by founding a NGO and which provides the needy persons, unprivileged persons the need. Students are very much active. The faculties provide them the guidance regarding the training courses, regarding the placement courses. Faculties also give the guidance regarding the competitive exams like GATE, MPSC. Also to take part them into the national activities like Chhatra Vishwakarma Award, then Smart Hackathon, etc. The students are working with the faculties as faculties are doing the consultancy work on the live project. So there is a very good bond between students and faculty for the enhancement of the students. Faculties providing the consulting work in the industry, and due to this one, the students get advantage on working the live projects. Thank you.